Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Nemo, and in this video I'm going to, I cannot say unboxing, but just get it out of this pocket, something that I recently purchased online from Two Man. They have the 70 years of passion. Um, it's a simple thing. It's a part for the guitar, and it's actually 25K volume potentiometer. And I'm going to tell you why. It's from EMGs, and the reason I purchased this, which I'm going to tell you, is that the length of the shaft. So I was checking out James Hetfield set on EMG's website, and I noticed that you have some options, you have some alternatives to choose from, like the color of the caps, string spaces, and the length of the shaft. And I got back to Zach Wild. If you watching and following this channel, you know the EMGs that I put on my Gibson Les Paul is from Zach Wild set. And I have a problem. I had a problem with that, which I'm going to speak about in the next video. And I found that actually I purchased that package, that set, in the pandemic lockdown. It was not so many options, but actually there is two different size of the potentiometer. One is the 10 millimeter and the other one is 19 millimeter, and almost about 1 centimeter, which is the game changer for me. I'm just showing you the instruction. You can read it. I'm just showing you so you can read it, but actually I'm just going to replace the other potentiometer, which is right now in my Gibson Les Paul, with this new one. So in fact, you can go to the EMG's website or any other website to have the right to distribute EMG's products and purchase any parts of the guitar that you need. The package includes the wires and nuts and fittings, equipments, so you may keep them or you can use them. It's up to you. Anyway, so that was it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. It's a very short video. The next video is more important. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It means a lot to me. So till next time, take care.